Welcome to a video by orCan. This one is a gas testing instrument for checking the gas, how much gas is in the bottle, in the aerated bottle. Bottles are there. It can be in can, it can be in bottle. But if the bottle is pierceable, the can should be pierceable. It has the, if I tell you the parts, it has a one here. We have the thermometer, which is you can switch on and off. You can select the centigrade and this Fahrenheit maximum minimum thermometer. It will tell you the temperature. And this one is for gas. How much this is gas in pounds? It tells you in kg 300, and this is kg per centimeter 20 is the internal reading. Here we have all the two nozzles are there. This one is for piercing, and once you press if you have to lift it, just press this and take it anywhere. Let us say I want to check a bottle or this, but I can put instead of this Coca-Cola bottle, I can put, and then when I have to push it, it goes directly into the seal, and it should be pressed with the power so that it enters this, and the gas will show you the reading immediately. I'm not working, there are so many other videos available on that. And after use, you can close this cap so that it is not damaged. So this one is for sealing as well as for piercing. This one is a lockable. You can lock anywhere. Longer bottle, shorter bottle, even 12 inches bottle can be used. It can, and this one is a slip proof, and this one is all parts are stainless steel. You can check the gas as well as the temperature at that particular temperature. So the pressure testing is going on. Please share the videos, like the videos, and this one is our website, abronexports.com. Email is info@abron01@gmail.com. Another one is info@abronexports.com. Our WhatsApp number or giving the order is 99922222049. Another is 941602009. Abron Exports has all the testing instruments for secure seal, cap testing, leakage testing, cap leakage testing, and hot water wire cutting and other testing pet instruments, thickness measurements, etc. Please visit the videos, like the videos, and share the videos. Thank you very much.